Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft on your PlayStation 5 and you keep getting this error code D0020, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Minecraft easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your games library and then you're going to click onto the options button on your controller on Minecraft. Once you click that button, this menu will pop up. Now you're going to click on to check for update first, and after you click check for update, it will look for any updates, and if there are any updates, it will update your game. Once you're done with that, now you're going to click onto the options button again, but this time you're going to go into restore license here. And once you're into restore license, it will tell you that it will close your game in order to restore the license. So just click on to restore here, and then it will start restoring the license of your game. Once you're done with the license restoring, then you'll get this window. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press OK here, and once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to turn off your Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable from your PlayStation 5. So just do that and then turn off your PlayStation 5 and then turn it back on after a minute or two, and then you can connect your internet and then try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.